We are in Turin. It is a quiet, subtle city, a working region in the northwest of Italy, where working and manufacturing are a matter of pride. This is where it all started, 40 years ago, in the land of innovation, the land where raw materials were converted into finished goods, in the land in which innovation and ethics come first. Manufacturing is in our DNA. We like to imagine the future, but with a hands-on approach. Our business units, our know-how, drive the co-engineering teams through the whole manufacturing value chain, from the prototype to the series. The die components line offers an extraordinary variety of items, a unique combination of materials and processing expertise. For 15 years, OMCR has been producing CAM units, becoming a leading manufacturing partner for our customers and providing them with outstanding solutions. People always make the difference, and our people made it possible to design, produce, and ship a new standard. We build on current effective process-driven technologies such as widespread supply chain automation and hyper-effective robotic technologies. Nowadays, OMCR is using AI and machine learning as the main propellers for its business growth. At OMCR, we integrate sustainability practices into our everyday operations through goal-setting metrics. We use a variety of mechanisms to embed sustainability access in our business lines. Responsible supply chain practices and the safety and well-being of workers in our supply chain is a must. This is what inspired us to design a bricketing machine. 40 years of passion for innovation and technology have made us who we are today. And in a company, people always make the difference. OMCR, Standard Die Components.